Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will explain how to use loops. Often when you write a code, you want the same block of code to run over and over again a certain number of times. So instead of adding several almost equal code lines in a script, we can use loops. Loops are used to execute the same block of code as long as certain condition is true. PHP supports following for loops: for, while, do while, and for each. And I will start with an example for loop. Okay. The for loop loops throughout the block of code a specified number of times. For the loop is used when you know in advance how many times the script should be run. And that is our syntax for our for loop. Okay, and I will explain. Our variable e initializes the loop counter and set the start value to 0. Here you can type also equal than 10, for example. Okay. That command here continue the loop as long as e variable is less than or equal to 10, and variable e++ increase the loop counter value by 1 for each iteration. And here is code that will be executed. You can type echo number is e and new line. Now Control S to save and check, and as you can see everything works 0 to 10. That is our for loop. And now while loop. That is our while loop. And while loop loops throughout a block of code if and as long as a specified condition is true. Okay, when condition between sentences is true, code will be executed. And I can create variable e equal 1, and while our variable e is less or equal to 5, execute next command. Okay, I will copy it, and now our variable e plus semicolon at the end. And if our condition is true, if 1 is less or equal to 5, will be echo the number is 1, and our variable will be counted ++, and then here come 2. I will show you that right now. Control S to save. Now refresh. Syntax error, unexpected semicolon, line L. Oh, okay, 1. Control S to save. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything works fine. And the next loop that I will show you is do while loop. Okay, now do while loop. Our variable e is equal to 1. Now do execute echo e is variable e plus plus semicolon while variable e is less or equal to 5 semicolon at the end. And what our do while loop exactly do? In a do while loop, the condition is tested after executing the statement within the loop. This means that the do while loop will execute its statements at least once, even if the condition is false. Now Ctrl S to save and check everything works. If I type 10, okay, everything works. And the next loop is for each. And now for each loop. For each loop loops throughout a block of code for each element in an array. The for each loop works only on arrays and is used to loop throughout each key value pair in an array. I will show you briefly syntax. Okay, that is our syntax. And now I will create an array colors equal array. Okay, our colors red, green, blue and yellow. For each first statement variable, we have to change it and type colors. That is our variable as key, then in value, but I will show you that right after this example. Okay. Then for each our variable color as value, and the next code will be executed. Echo, and here I will type value, then a new line with command br. Now Ctrl S to save and check everything works fine. Okay, that is for each one example. And the next following example will output two values of a given array, but I have to add second value, and I can type here, okay, quotation marks, red paper, and I will copy it here, and go green apple, blue ocean, and yellow. Okay. Now here for each colors as variable x, then here value or variable type, and echo. Next, our variable x is equal to our variable val. Now Control S to save and check. Red paper, green apple, blue ocean and yellow sun. That works fine. And that is that for this tutorial. Thank you if you're watching.